And to a primetime news follow-up now, the Ministry of Health has banned the importation of heartburn medication Zantac. This follows worldwide concern that the drug could contain small levels of a possible cancer-causing chemical linked to liver damage. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said everything will be done to safeguard the public.
The public health system works in a particular way. I mean, we don't expect that doctors or pharmacists are going to continue to push a particular drug that clearly there is a concern around and there's an advisor that is out there. The distributor of the product, who represents the manufacturer, as is normally the case in these circumstances, would have been fully aware based on what is happening and aware of the recall in the other markets. And that distributor we would normally communicate with in terms of ensuring that what is in the trade is appropriately dealt with. We're advising persons not to use and physicians not to prescribe based on the information that we have, and also the suspension of importation, further importation.
Now, several retailers in the U.S., including Walmart, Walgreens, and Rite Aid, have suspended sale of the drug. Concerns about Zantac were first raised in June by a U.S. online pharmacy which analyzes drugs to verify their chemical contents before sending them to consumers. The company found that carcinogens present in multiple formulations of that drug.